Hi there, today going to learn about how to add shape dividers in our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website editor, and we'll scroll down to a section that we want to add the shape divider. So for example, I want to add the section divider here. So make sure you're clicking on the sections. For example, what you can do is click on right click and then overlapping items and then click on the section. And then from here, you will have a menu right here, like that. So let's just click on shape dividers and then we will have different choices right here. So we can choose if we want to add the shape divider from the bottom of the section or from the top of the section. For example, I want to add it to the top of the section. For example, we have our different shape dividers right here. And then if you want to have more choices in your shape dividers, you can click on this more shapes. It will look like this if you haven't chose a shape yet, but since I chose a shape here, I have this shape right here. But if you want to change it, you can just click on this change button and then it will open up the Wix dashboard, and then you can have different choices right here for your shape dividers. So for example, I want to have this one. Just click on it and then click on choose file. And then we can see the shape divider that we added is now in our website. So you can also customize the look of the shape divider. You can change the opacity and the color. If I change the color right here, we can see it. And then we can see the other colors are reflected in the website as well. If you want to have advanced settings, you can do this as well. If you want to change some more specific colors, and then if you want to have a custom color, you can just click on add theme color and then you can choose here for the specific color that you want. For example, this one. And then we also have different settings like the height. We can also increase or decrease it. You have the horizontal offset. And then we can also flip our shape divider. For example, you want to add the shape divider at the bottom of the section. You just click on bottom. And then when you scroll down, there we have our shape divider. Take in mind that sometimes you can't always add the shape divider. So for example, right here on the about section, it says that shape dividers can be added when the background is hidden by columns. So sometimes it depends on the layout of your website. For example, right here, I can also add a shape divider, but when I add one, for example, it just gets the half of the website since we have a image right here. So take that in mind when you're adding shape dividers to your website. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned how to add shape dividers to your Wix website and customize it to your preferred look. And that's it. Thank you for watching.